I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can mod any one of your vehicles in GTA 5 Online using the brand new car-to-car method in GTA 5 Online. So with this method, you're gonna be able to go and mod any one of your cars, like the cop cars that just came out, brand new DLC cars, and even special vehicles like the Scramjets or Kanjali Tang. So basically, as long as the vehicle can fit into a garage, you're gonna be able to go ahead and mod it. To get this car-to-car merge glitch to work, you will be needing a few things. First things first, you will need someone else to help you out. If you don't have anybody, don't even worry about it. Join the Discord server down below in the description. There's over 1,000 people on there on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. You'll definitely find someone to help you out with this glitch on there. Next, you will need to get yourself a donor car. A donor car is basically a vehicle with the mods on it already, like the F1s, modded paint jobs, or Bennies. Basically, if you don't know how to get one, watch this video up here. I'll show you how to make your own modded car or get your own modded car. Next, you're gonna need to go and get one of these things. Only one of them. You don't need both. Okay, just one. So you can get yourself a CEO or a VIP or a Kostaka with a Sparrow. The reason why you need a CEO is so you can call up a buzzard later on the glitch. And the last and final thing you will need is gonna be a yacht. So go and get yourself a yacht, and after that, you got everything. Let's begin. Now we're gonna need to go and do a few things to set up the glitch, and that's gonna be to go ahead and register yourself up as a CEO. If you have a Kostaka with a Sparrow, then you don't have to register yourself up as a CEO. If you don't have a Sparrow, register yourself up as a CEO or VIP, but just come on to register as boss and CEO right here. After that, you want to open up your interaction menu, come over to preferences, and then scroll down to map lift options down here. Come over to jobs and make sure all jobs say custom, and make sure all these here say show. After that, open up your map and you will have all of these blue jobs around the map. Next thing we need to go ahead and do to set up is get your donor car. In my case, this is my donor car. Take it and drive into Los Santos Customs to do the next thing, and this one is the most important one, so please don't skip it. If you do, don't be in the comments saying why isn't it working, because you messed up on this step. So once inside of the Ellis Carmi, go ahead and run over to Mimi right over here. And what you want to go ahead and do is start up a takeover. So come over to Mimi right here and then start takeover before you even do the glitch. And this is only for the person that's going to be getting the modded car. So if you are the helper, you don't have to do this. It's only for the person getting the modded car. Now go ahead and run over to your car. So get into your vehicle, drive it out, and drive it back into Ellis Carmi, and we can begin. So what you guys want to go ahead and do is have your friend's vehicle inside of the Ellis Carmi and have your vehicle inside the Ellis Carmi as well. Your vehicle, make sure it is a donor vehicle. So for me, this is going to be my donor car. Next step you want to go ahead and do now is get into your friend's car, and now you want to have them go ahead and start up a sprint's job. So they can go ahead and do it by going over to the interaction menu, Ellis Carmi, and then sprint right over here. So once you get the sprint invite from your friend, all you want to do is go and accept the sprint invite from them, and then now you'll get a countdown on the bottom right. Now what your friend wants to go ahead and do is going to be very simple. Open up the interaction menu, come over to manage vehicles, and scroll down to return personal vehicle. You do not do this. Your friend or whoever's helping you does this part, and then they want to go and press return vehicle back to storage at 2 seconds. Now, if you did it correctly, you should get kicked out the car, and now you should have an infinite black loading screen. Just like this. It will not go away until you do Anwak. So come over to your friend list and then find Anwak or anyone else in a different target mode. Go and press join game on him, and then you will get 2 alerts. You want to go and accept the first alert and then decline the second alert. So here we go. First, and then decline the second alert. Now you'll get stuck on the screen just like this. To get out of it, open up your pause menu, come over to online, scroll all the way down to options right over here, and then now come down to clear yourself. And if this here is not available, that's because you forgot to do the most important part, and that was to go ahead and go into the takeover, then walk back out or drive your car out and then go back in. If it's available, go and clear yourself. If not, restart the glitch by restarting GTA just like this, and then redo the glitch all over again. Make sure you do the takeover part. And now go and clear yourself just like this. So once you spawn back in, go and press Y or triangle to get out of the vehicle. And now you want to go ahead and call up a helicopter. You can do this 2 ways. You can go to your CEO vehicles and just call up a buzzard, which is right over here, or you can just come over to your Kostaka. If you don't have a CEO, you can come over to your service vehicles, Kostaka, and then call up a Sparrow. For me, in my case, I'll just call up a Sparrow. Now go ahead and look around to see where this helicopter spawned in. It's right there. So now the only hard part about this thing is the camera is inverted, so it's going to be so hard to go ahead and do this part. So basically, just try your best to walk towards the helicopter, and once you start getting close to it, I just recommend go and press Y or triangle, and then your character will just like walk automatically to the vehicle. So just make sure you switch your invert lock. Oh my god, this bum can't even let me get into my own helicopter. There you go. Once you go ahead and get into your helicopter, what you want to go ahead and do now is pretty much fly up, and just make sure you fly a good high enough distance. I would say about to like this point right here. What your friend wants to go ahead and do is going to be pretty much important, okay? Now, what they want to go ahead and do is request back their vehicle. So basically, just go to manage vehicles, then request personal vehicle right over here. After they do request personal vehicle, immediately they go over to Mimi and do a takeover, okay? And after that, it should start looking like the sprint job is starting. So here you go. Once they do the sprint job or the takeover and the request personal vehicle, they should load into the sprint job, and then you will start seeing your screen to have like the sprint job stuff and all that. So give it a few. There we go. Sprint, race to the power station, and back to Ellis Carmi. We are pretty much, I would say, halfway done with the glitch. What you want to go ahead and do now is basically fly over to your yacht. So head over to your yacht and I'll meet you guys there. So as you guys start getting closer to your yacht, what you want to do is open up your phone, come over to your contact, and then scroll all the way down till you find the captain. And once you do captain, what you want to go ahead and do is go and request a personal vehicle. Now you can request any vehicle that you want as long as it can fit into one of these three: an MOC, Avenger, or Los Angeles Customs. As long as it can fit into one of those three, go and call it up. In my case, I'm gonna be calling up the brand new car. Basically, call up any vehicle that you want to go ahead and mod, and once it spawns in, so there you go, just spawned in on the map as you guys can see right over here. Once it spawns in, what you want to go ahead and do now is hold Y to go ahead and respawn. Once you respawn, you will now have the modded car, but we don't have it officially yet because we first have to go ahead and save the vehicle. So go ahead and have your friend leave the game or start up a job. They can do this two ways, or you can also do it as well. So basically, just come over to one of these jobs right here, go ahead and start it up. It may give you the job is no longer available. If it does, just redo it again, and that should finish the sprint job immediately. All you want to do once you load back in is go ahead and save the vehicle by going into your MOC, Avenger, or Los Angeles Customs. Luckily for me, Los Angeles Customs are right around the corner. So, and as you guys can see, we have a modded vehicle. If this vehicle here gets blown up, then it is gone, okay? Not like officially gone, but the mods of it are gone, okay? So let me just go and invert the look again. There you go. Car right now is not modded because it's pretty much not an actual saved vehicle. It's just a random vehicle. Once you save it, then it is officially your modded car. So go into LS Customs, MOC, or Avenger. Then you want to change one thing on the vehicle. I recommend change maybe the window tints. If it's a green tint or something, I would recommend change the armor or something like that so it does not scratch your vehicle. After you change one thing on the vehicle, it is officially your modded car in GTA 5 Online, and it's that simple. Now, if you guys want to go and mod another car, what you want to go ahead and do is pretty much just restart GTA. So just quit GTA and redo the thing. Now, the reason why you have to do this is because you own the takeover, and to do the glitch, you have to buy the takeover every single time. That's the only downside I would say about this. It's not like it's you can do it multiple times. You have to restart GTA every single time you do it, sadly. But that's today's video. Make sure you go and drop a like. Hopefully, you can get as many modded cars with this new method right here. It's pretty simple and easy, and take care.